Hello students, welcome back to the class. I hope you all are fine. So today in this class we will start another chapter from your annual term syllabus, that is chapter 13 practical geometry, and in this class we will do exercise 13.1. Okay, so in this exercise we will learn how to draw line segments by copying the length from another line, and also we will learn how to draw circles when the length of the radius of the circle will be given. Okay, so let's begin with the exercise, then I will tell you how to do. So first question number in exercise 13.1 I am doing question number 1. Question number 1 is construct a circle of radius. So the length of the radius of the circle is given, we have to draw the circles. So first I am doing question number 1's Roman 2, where the length is given as the length of the radius is given as 3.5 centimeter. So what will we do? We will first draw here a 3.5 centimeter line. Okay, so 0 and here 3.5. Now we will join these 2 points. So this is 0 and 3.5. This is 3.5 centimeter line. Now what will we do? We will take the compass. We will put the pointer at one end of this line in this point, and we will measure the length from this point to this point by this pencil and compass and the pointer. Okay, so this is the length of this line segment. Okay, so this is 3.5 centimeter. Now we will put the compass here and we'll just draw a circle. So this is a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Okay, and you can name this center anything. I am naming this as A. You can name it B, O, anything. Okay, so this question number 1, okay, sorry, this one was question number 1's Roman 2 is done. Now I am doing next question number 2. Question number 2 is, with the same center O, draw 2 circles of radius 2.6 centimeter and 4.1 centimeter. Okay, so next question number 2 I am doing. So see, first we will draw a 2.6 centimeter line, and we will draw another 4.1 centimeter line. So I am drawing this geometry here. Okay, this circles here. Okay, so now first we will draw 2.6 centimeter. So at 0 we will draw a point, and 2.6 is this one, this point. So 2.6 and 0 we will join these points. Okay, now what we'll have to do next, we will draw 4.1 centimeter another line. So this is 4.1. So this one is 2.6 centimeter, this one, and this one is 4.1 centimeter. Now we will draw 2 circles of the same center. So first we will take the length of 2.6 centimeter this way. Okay, now we will put the compass here and we'll just draw this circle. So this is 2.6 centimeters radius circle, whose radius is 2.6 centimeter. Now we will take 4.1 centimeter length from this line. We will draw the arc. Put the compass again on the center and draw now. So these are the 2 circles. I am naming the center as O. So these are the 2 circles which are having the same center. One of the radius 2.6 centimeter and the other one of the radius 4.1 centimeter. So I hope this is clear. Now next I am doing question number 5. Okay. Okay. Now question number 5 is, let A be A, B be the centers of two circles of equal radii. Radii means the plural form of radius. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of the other. Let them intersect at C and D and examine whether AB and CD are at right angles. So first what will we do? We will just take any length. So this is question number 5. So it is mentioned in the question that we can take any radius, but the radius of the two circles will be equal. Okay, so I am taking any radius. So you can take any radius means any length from this compass. Okay, so I am taking this length, this radius, and now just I will put here the compass and draw a circle. So this is one circle. You can see this is the center. Now what will we do? We will just put the compass on the circumference of the circle which we have just drawn. Okay, so we will put here on the circumference of the given circle, and now we will draw with the same length which we have taken as the radius of the previous circle. With the same radius we are drawing another circle. Now you can see this is the center of the first circle which is A, and this is the center of the second circle which is B. These two circles are going from the centers of each other. Okay, so now they are intersecting at the point C and D. Now we will join the lines AB and CD. Now we have to examine whether they are right angles or not. Yes, they are forming right angles. These two lines CD and AB are forming 90-degree angles. Okay, so this is done. Now question number 7 I am doing next. Question number 7 is construct AB of length 8.3 cm. From this, cut off AC of length 5.6 cm. Measure the length of BC. Okay, so next question number 7. So first we have to draw a line, construct a line AB of length 8.3 cm. So what will we do? First we will we will draw here a 8.3 centimeter line. So 8.123, this is 8.3, from here to here. So this is 8.3 centimeter. We will just write the length here. Now we will draw another big line, okay, bigger line, which is bigger than this line. We will draw here. Okay, now what will we do? Okay, another length we have to cut from this line, which is 5.6 centimeter long. So we will again draw a 5.6 centimeter line. So this is 5.6. So this is 5.6 centimeter long, this line. Now what will we do? First we have to draw AB of length 8.3 centimeter. So we will take from this line the length 8.3 centimeter. We will draw here an arc. So we will put the compass now here at this end point, and now we will cut the arc from 8.3 centimeter from this line. Okay, so now this is AB. Okay, now what is asked in the question, that cut off AC of length 5.6 centimeter from this section. So now we will take the length 5.6 centimeter. Okay, and we will put again here, and we will cut this length 5.6 centimeter. So this is AC, which is 5.6 centimeter, and this is AB, which is 8.3 centimeter. Now we will have to measure the length BC. Okay, BC we will measure. Okay, now see, this is 2, this is 5, this is 5 and 1 2. So 2.7 is the length of the line BC. 2.7 centimeter. 2.7 centimeter is the length of BC. Okay, so that is done. Now next I am doing question number 9. So question number 9 is, given some line segment AB whose length you don't know. Construct PQ such that the length of PQ is twice that of AB. So what will we do? We can take or draw any length, because it's not mentioned in the question, any length AB. Okay. Now we will have to construct another line which is twice the length of AB. So I am drawing here a bigger line. Okay, so this is a bigger line. Now we have to construct another line PQ, which is whose length is twice of AB. So first we will take here the length of AB from this line. We will draw this, take this arc, and we will put the pointer here, and we will cut off the length of AB from the bigger line this way. So the length of PQ will be twice of AB. So first we have drawn the length of AB once, then another AB we have to draw here. So we will put the pointer here in this point in which the arc is intersecting the bigger line. So here I am putting the pointer, and now the same length I will cut again. So AB plus AB, the same length I have cut. So AB plus AB, twice of AB. The name of this new line is PQ. Okay, I hope this is clear. This is done. Now last one I am doing from this exercise is question number 10. Question number 10 is, take a line segment PQ of length 10 centimeter from From PQ, cut off PA of length 4.3 centimeter and BQ of length 2.5 centimeter. Measure the length of the segment AB. So first we have to draw a line segment of 10 centimeter. So first I am drawing here 10 centimeter line segment. Okay. Another line segment of 4.3 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter, another two line segment. So first one 4.3 centimeter. Okay, and another one is of 2.5 centimeter. Okay, now we will again draw a bigger line. Now what will we do? First we will have to draw PQ of length 10 centimeter. So first we will take the length 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is 10 centimeter. So first we will cut the length 10 centimeter from this bigger line. Now what is said in the question, that cut off PA of length 4.3 centimeter. P is here, this is PQ. So PA we have to cut, which is 4.3 centimeter. Now we will measure, we will take 4.3 centimeter, 4.3. Okay, so we will put the pointer here and we will cut 4.3 centimeter from this line PA. Okay, another line we have to cut BQ. So Q is already here, B will be here. We will first take the length 2.5 centimeter. We will put the pointer on the point Q and draw here the arc. So this is BQ, which is of 2.5 centimeter. Now we will measure the length of AB. Okay, measure the length of AB. So it's coming it's coming 3.3 centimeter. There is a little bit mistake, that's why it's coming 3.3 centimeter. No, it's 3.2 centimeter almost. Okay, so it's 3.2 centimeter almost. So the length of AB is 3.2 centimeter. How can we understand our math is correct or not, our drawing is correct or not? See, the total length is 10 centimeter. From this length we have cut 4.3 and 2.5. The total length 4.3 plus 2.5 is 6.8. Okay, now 10 minus 6.8 will be 3.2. Okay, so we will check whether it's correct or not by subtraction. Okay, so here it's 3.2 coming, that means the geometry is okay. Okay, so I hope you understood this one, this exercise. This is a very easy exercise. If you find any confusion, then you can call me anytime. So till the next video, take care and bye.